Hello, my YouTube friend. We're back in the store and we have a ton of work to do today. Let me give you a little summary of where we're at. Okay, so we have the aftermath of all of Elizabeth's collection that I still have to finish. I think I priced about a third to half of it, so I have to finish pricing all of this, and I got to figure out where I'm putting my keepers somewhere. I got to finish pricing that, and I think I have 2 boxes of stuff I have to finish pricing from last week, and I have to put that away. So once we get that done, this area will actually be pretty good. I have this 1 box of My Little Pony toys that I just have to work on this. This has been here for like a month now. I gotta get that bagged up. I gotta find spots for a few things, like these bigger sets. Although we've been selling a few things, so I think there's room to put some bigger stuff up top. Let's see, I filled that up. If I can get the front cleared out, then I'll have more room up there as well. And then I can use all these shelves for stuff. They're just kind of haphazard right now. I gotta clean that up. Okay, and then this aisle is just, we have to get more stuff on the wall, but the walls are getting pretty full right now, so we're reaching capacity. I've been buying so much the last week or so, so I'm kind of running out of space. I'm hoping that we sell another like 200 plus pops over the next few days, so that would clear out a big chunk of the front here. I'm just going to start pricing stuff and get this whole area cleaned up. Okay, I'm getting through it. We have an hour until we open, so I got to try to get as much done as I can. I think Raphael and Dave might be bringing stuff in the trade today. Raphael, you saw a big lot he brought in last week. It was like almost $3,000 worth of stuff. So I have a bunch of stuff I put on hold for him. So he's coming to pick that up, and I think he's trading in a little bit more. And then Dave put the blacklight Carnage to the side, and he wanted to bring his blacklight in just to verify that's the legit one. The box looks good. He just didn't know if the pop was swapped out or anything. So I said I would hold it for him. And then today he's bringing in a whole bunch to trade. Okay, let me show you what we've done so far. That box is all priced out. We put another box worth over there. These are all the slightly dented ones, so these ones that take me a little bit longer to price because I have to kind of grade them as I price them. I still have to put this away before we open, and that away, my keepers. All the sodas, I haven't priced out yet, but I put them all in their bags so I can hang them up. I gotta make a little bit of room for them because the soda area is filling up. These all have blue tape ready to price, so I have to price those out. And then these are more dented ones, and these 2 I want to bag up before I price them so the sticker's not on the box. But stuff like this, I gotta knock it down. Like this, the top has got a big gouge out of it. The plastic's kind of scuffy. So this I probably have to knock down maybe 10%, 15% of the value. So it's stuff like that that I have to double check the value and how much I want to mark it down. And then I have the random small stuff. Also random small stuff, and that's already priced out, so I just have to, so I'm gonna move those 2 boxes over to the done area and then try to finish up these boxes, and hopefully I'm done before we open today. Okay, so Dave saw this one the other day. He really wanted it, so we put it on hold for him. The box looks really good, but he wanted to check the blacklight with that, so he brought his blacklight in. We're gonna check it out. Let's see. On video it's kind of hard to see, but he definitely glows really strong. Right, the fake one. What does the fake one do? It just doesn't glow as strong, or
it glowed, but the eye colors were different. I think the
like more of a green,
it was
or
more of a yellowish tinge with the fake versions, and this one has more of the green, which is what the real version would look like.
I also think the mouth is supposed to be a lot darker on the fake one. Like it doesn't glow as orange. I'm not sure how well we can see on the video, but yeah, that one looks good to me.
It looks good.
Yeah, I think we're good on that. Which this one's scary because there are fakes out there, and just. You don't want to be ripped off at that price.
Yep. Right.
Exactly. So Dave brought in a whole bag of stuff to trade in. He's going to get that Carnage, and I'm guessing a bunch of other stuff. Let's dig through the... Oh, I love this set. The Bakugan. I think these are undervalued. I think people will want those. Oh, we got more of those. Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen that one yet. That is awesome. Oh, that's neat. And then, oh, you have the chase.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
I like it, but I'm running out of space.
Yeah, no, that's the thing. The giant ones just take up way too much space, especially in New York City. You just don't have room for these things. That is neat. I like the Hello Kitty mashup ones. Those are neat. Okay, we got Doctor Strange. Oh, Red She. I'm a Red Hulk, Red Hulk, Red Hulk, Red Hulk, Red Hulk. Oh, LA Con Two-Face. That is neat. I think one of my patrons needs that one. Zombie Iron Man. Oh, that's a good one. People are going to line up for that one. The Blue Ghost. We have Superman. That one's cool. Oh, Clyde, I love the Pac-Man set. Oh, and more Demon Slayer. That's gonna go real quick. All right, I gotta price these out for Dave and let him know how much he has to spend. And then Dave had 4 more in his bag. The kind of not as exciting ones, but still fun. All right, let me price those out. All right, Dave's stuff's all priced out. We're gonna put it all away. I'm gonna add it up, let him know what I owe him, and then I gotta work on Raphael's stuff. Okay, I broke down, and I do have to keep this Two-Face because Batman the Animated Series is a must-own for me, and I don't have that one. This is gonna be a hard year, but that's awesome. I got a box here from Raphael. He brought a few more things to trade in, so we're going to dig through that box. Okay, Raphael has no idea what's in here, so it's a mystery box. He put it away a while ago. It looks like newer stuff. Oh, lots of Demon Slayer again. Okay, that's sweet. Let's see what we got in here. We got Morgan, that's cool. Aquaman. Oh, that's a fun John Lennon. I've actually never seen that one before. That one's cool. Okay, we have Wonder Woman. Ahsoka. This is the animated series one. That one has some value, I believe. We have Hester Shaw. I enjoyed the movie, but that pop's not really worth anything. We have... ooh, that one's neat. I haven't seen that one before. That one's super cool. That must have just come out... it looks like March of last year. I didn't see that one. Plain Crazy. I'm actually shocked I hadn't seen that Spider-Man before. Dwight. That's cool. I need more Office stuff. Fry Kids. Diamond. Energizer Bunny. Evelyn Carnahan from The Mummy. That one's cute. I haven't seen that one before. Alright, this is cool. It looks like there's some newer stuff in here. Or stuff I just haven't seen before. We have the Silent Night Batman. That one's really neat. Oh, okay. I'm going to double check if he wants to get rid of that one. Do you want to get rid of that one? Yeah, okay. It's like a Silent Grail. Dark Voyager. Clay Thompson. That one's got some value. Tanjiro. That one's awesome. That one's got some value. Batman. Okay, we have another Ahsoka. That one's cool. That one I think's going up. Bastilla Shawn, that one has some value. Young Gamora, I love that one. Okay, we have Roger Taylor from Duran Duran. That one's super cool. Super Saiyan Goku with energy. I really like that one. We have Natsu from Fairy Tail. We have the clear gem, or I guess glitter version of Ariel. Really like that one. Oh, this one's neat. We have the Amazing Carlos. I don't know if I have this version of him. So that one I might actually keep. Love that one. That one's amazing. Even though it's a little damn... Oh, you know what? Did you get this one for me?
No.
No?
I don't think so.
Because I feel like I had a damaged one at some point. So I might actually have that one. I'm going to double check that though. That one is amazing. We have Snowball. That one's cool. Bill Cipher. Oh, and Willy Wonka. You sure you want to get rid of Willy Wonka? Yeah, he's sure. That one is dope, though.
That's a duplicate.
Okay. All right, let me price these all out for Raphael so he knows how much he's getting. All right, so Chris also brought in a few pops to trade, so I'm going to work through those. I'm going to go through Raphael's after this. Raphael said I can wait a couple minutes for that, just so I can get Chris done here. Okay, I was kind of questioning Chris on selling this one because this one's awesome. I think he's going to keep it, though. I love that one. That one's super cool. But he is trading in Bakugo, Roy Mustang from Full Metal, which is amazing. I love that one. And Froppy. Super cool. All right, I finished pricing out all of Raphael's stuff. There's a lot of really awesome things in here. I did decide to keep the Amazing Carlos. Even though he's damaged, this is high on my want list. He's amazing. But I have even more Ariel stuff I have to go through next. It's non-stop today. All right, let me get to that. All right, let's dig through these bags. We have a couple really awesome Thanos pops. Really love those. We have the tinfoil Captain America. Kind of hate that one. Hedwig, that's really cool. Harry Potter. We have Dobby. These are the reprint ones with the newer boxes. I really like those. We have... oh, what's this? This is the Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man. That's cool. We have Cyclops. Love that one. We have the Hobgoblin t-shirt set. That one's super cool. Love that set. 40-year-old virgin. That one's awesome. We have Daffy Duck. Bugs Bunny. I really like those. Oh, we have another 40-year-old virgin one. That's a fun set. Actually, I think I have a set in the store, so that's going to be the second one. The original Harry Potter, again, this is in the reprint box. I really do like that they use the reprint boxes on those Lolo Bunny. Because what's cool about that is if you have the original one, you have a unique box. If you have the newer one, you still have the pop, but it's a different box. Mechagodzilla, love that one. I think that one has a little bit of value. Oh, Marvin the Martian, that is cool. Is this the original? No, this is the newer movie, right? Yeah. I think the original one's worth a bunch. Okay, we have King Kong. He's awesome. Oh, you got a lot of the King Kong stuff. Yeah, those are cool. LeBron James. I mean, even though it's a Space Jam version, when you have one of the greatest players ever, we're gonna want that. So we have a lot of those. Why did you buy so many? Were you going to try to trade them or?
Trying to collect them. How was it?
Heat Ray Godzilla. I love that one. And, oh, the regular Godzilla. I don't think I have that one. That one is cool. Let's take a quicker look at that. Wow, he is neat. Kind of wish they did 10-inch ones like that.
I think they did.
Did they?
I think they did this one.
That one as a 10-inch?
Yeah.
I don't know if I saw that. I'm going to have to look for that.
The one with the axe, the King Kong.
They did a 10-inch as that as well? Those are neat. Okay, I'm going to price all these out and let Ariel know how much I'm giving them. Okay, everything is priced out. Lots of really fun pops in here. I really like the King Kong and Godzilla stuff. That stuff's a lot of fun. I'm just sitting on the floor here pricing the sodas. I am really tired. It's been one of those kind of days where people just lining up to sell, which is good. The store's getting really full of cool stuff for sale. The weather is really kind of dreary and cold today, so the sales are a little bit off, but not a bad day. Just not as crazy awesome as it's been this past week, so I'm not upset about it. I think the weather's going to get nicer the next few days, so it should pick up. And I think once it picks up, there's going to be so much stuff for people to dig through in the store right now. So I think it's going to be a ton of fun. I am just collection after collection, and I'm going to try to keep going as long as I can. I'm getting really tired, though, so I might need a few days off. So I think this weekend I'm going to try to go to the Big Apple Comic-Con. I might go early because my wife is afraid the store is just going to be too busy without me. So I might just go early, go from like 10 to 12, have a little bit of fun. I love comic books. I want to go just for the fun of it and maybe make a comic video for the comic channel. And maybe just take a little bit of a day off. I might not film on Saturday just because it's been a crazy week. I've been having fun, though. I'm so happy to actually see the algorithm supporting the channel. You guys seem to be enjoying the videos. I'm having a fun time making them. So I'm going to finish pricing out Elizabeth's stuff. I just want to be done today. 100% complete. Everything that needs to be priced. And then tomorrow I'll start thinking about the next collection. Okay, we got a lot done today. I am very exhausted today. Today was just non-stop work. But we're getting a lot of progress today. I got all the soda figures hung up. I can see the front of the store again. I have a few more things I'm going to put away at the beginning of today. We're going to get the pony stuff done, clean up the rest of this for the weekend, and then we'll have an actual empty front, except we have another collection coming in tomorrow, so I'll probably refill it up. I just have one more bin. I priced it out, how much I want to pay for it, but I have to get into a little baggie so I can hang it up. And then on this side, I mean, this pile is getting smaller, but I have to bring all this stuff to the basement. And I think that's one box I just got to put away. Bring those to the basement. Bring the protectors down, get rid of the trash, maybe work on that. But we're making a lot of progress. This side is pretty full. The shelves are getting pretty full. So I think tomorrow the progress that I need to make is that this shelf, like the top shelf there, has a lot of room. So what I have to do is make sections. Like I started right here. I put a couple of Mad Max. So I got to make sections of the stuff that's a little bit slower and get that whole top area filled up just to make more room for everything else in the shop. But I think we can do that. Yeah, I should be able to fit 200 pops up there. And I think once I'm done making sections, it'll just be a lot more organized and I'll have more room. Okay, I'm really tired, so I think I'm going to end it there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.